Have you ever heard the expression "in full swing" but weren't quite sure what it meant? Let me share a funny story that might sound familiar. My friend Sarah thought "in full swing" meant her office was literally swinging back and forth. Of course, that's not what the idiom "in full swing" means at all. It actually refers to something being in a state of vigorous activity or rapid progress. Imagine your favorite festival or event. When it's in full swing, everything is happening at a lively pace, the music is playing. The crowds are bustling, and the energy is electric. Here are some examples of how you can use "in full swing" in different contexts. The holiday shopping season is in full swing at the mall. The company's annual conference is in full swing this week. The summer music festival is in full swing, with amazing performances every night. To help you remember the meaning of "in full swing," imagine a festival at its peak excitement. The constant back and forth movement captures the idea of rapid progress or intense activity. One theory suggests that the idiom "in full swing" originated in the 1800s, possibly inspired by the swinging motion of a pendulum clock. This connection to a well-functioning clock could reflect the cultural value placed on efficiency and productivity during that era. Some similar idioms include "in high gear," "in full force," and "at full speed." Conversely, idioms that express the opposite meaning include "at a standstill," "in a lull," or "slow to a crawl." Related idioms like "in the swing of things" or "hitting its stride" also convey a sense of momentum. Let's try rephrasing this sentence without using the idiom. The company's annual conference is in full swing this week. Instead, we could say, the company's annual conference is happening at a rapid pace and with great energy this week. I remember a time when my colleague used the idiom "in full swing" perfectly. We were planning a big company event, and she said, "The event planning is in full swing, so we're on track to have everything ready in time." It really captured the sense of momentum and progress. One common mistake is to say "the event is swinging in full" instead of "the event is in full swing." Another misunderstanding is thinking "in full swing" means something is literally swinging back and forth, like Sarah did. It's also important to use "in full swing" in the right context. It wouldn't make sense to say "my morning routine is in full swing" unless you have a very eventful morning routine. Let's test your understanding of the idiom "in full swing." 1. What does "in full swing" mean? A. Something is literally swinging back and forth. B. Something is happening at a rapid pace. C. Something is at a standstill. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with "in full swing"? A. In high gear. B. At a standstill. C. In a lull. Correct answer, A. 3. Which of these expressions is antonymous to "in full swing"? A. In the thick of it. B. In a lull. C. Hitting its stride. Correct answer, B. In summary, the idiom "in full swing" refers to an event or activity that is at its peak or most active stage. Understanding this idiom can really boost your English communication skills. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom "in full swing" in a sentence about your day or a recent event you experienced. I'd love to hear how you're putting this new knowledge into practice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.
Where Humanities Week is in full swing.
The revolution that he foresaw is now in full swing.
The Napoleonic Wars were in full swing.
The war was in full swing.
In full swing.
The bar is in full swing.